Dear students, today we are going to learn about creation of company in Tally software. Open, work in education mode, single user. So this is the first screen of Tally. For creation of company, press Alt plus F3, Alt F3. So in this by pressing Alt F3, gateway of Tally GOT, company information will be appeared. In this we have select company, shed company, create company, alter company, change tally vault, split company data, backup and restore options are there. Select company means by using this option, we can open already created company. Shed company means by using this option, we can close the present using company. Again, we can open by using select company options. Create company means by using this option, we can load or enter new company details. Alter is for modification. If there any modification in company, then we are going to use alter. Or if you want delete the company, also you can use alter. Change tally vault. Change tally vault means this option used to change password of vault, password of company. Split company data. Split company data means this option allows you to split company data across multiple periods. Backup. Backup means you can store company's data in secondary memory devices like compact discs, DVDs, pen drives, or memory card, etc. Next, restore. This option used to get the data from secondary memory devices. Quit. Quit option used to exit from company info and tally. So by clicking F3, Alt F3, we are able to create some companies. For example, here plus C. Here C is highlighting. Use keyboard. It is better than by using mouse. It is opened. This is title bar, company creation, name bar. Under this directory means the information will be stored in C: users public tally ERP9 data. Name means here type the company name you want to create. Here enter the company name, which company you want to create. For example, here I am writing Adicherla Private Limited Company. Private Limited. So press enter or down arrow key. Mail address, mail name. For example, the same name, Adicherla Private Limited Company may be the mail name. For example, if anybody mail any letters, you are going to receive the same name in mailing name. Address. For example, write your full address in detail. Address Pedda Kalwala, District Peddapalli, PIN 505 174, country India, state Telangana. By clicking Telangana, by clicking T, here we may find Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura. Select Telangana, pin code number 505174. Telephone number, if any telephone number, please enter the telephone details. Mobile number, for example, 98765432110. Next, fax number. Enter if you have fax, then enter fax number, or else simply leave it. And next, enter the email address. For example, Adicherla @gmail.com. If your company have a website, then if you're interested, give the website name also, www.adicherla.com. Financial year from books and financial year details. Financial year means the financial year starts from 1st April of every year to 31st March of next year. So in between we have 12 months of period. That period is called as financial year. So financial year starts from 1st April for 2020 financial year. It starts from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. So books begin from, for example, you can open books from the same date, or you can modify the books. You can write the books from different dates also. For example, 1st June 2021, I am opening my books. So after this, security control. Here we are learning Tally in educational mode. So security, if you want to give any password to your company, then you can proceed by giving any password options. But this is education mode. Just we are learning, so need not give any password. Just press enter. Base currency symbol. Base currency symbol in India, rupee symbol is there. And next one, formal. Click the down arrow. Formal name INR. INR stands for Indian National Rupee. Next is symbol suffix to amounts. Suffix and prefix. Here, if you want amount, suffix amount to symbol, then press yes. If no, no need. Already no is there. Add space between amount and symbol. Okay, it is required. Show amount in millions. It is not required. Next, number of decimal places. For example, here I am taking 2 decimal places, and word using print decimal portion of amount in paisa. Okay, decimal places for printing amount in words, 2 digits are enough. So by clicking all these details, by providing all these details, it is asking about accept yes or no. For example, if by pressing Y, this company will be saved. Listen, here one company already saved, Adicherla Private Limited. Date of last entry, no vouchers. Here we are not recorded any vouchers. Just this is the procedure. This is the procedure to create a company. For example, here we are creating another company. Control F3 by gateway of Tally. Control F3 by clicking C. Create a company. Here name, you can give a company name. For example, Srinivasa Private Limited. Mailing name also same. Address Pedda Kalwala, Peddapalli, India. State Telangana. Pin code number 505174. Telephone number. If you have any telephone number, simply you can enter the telephone number. And next mobile number. If you have a mobile number 987-654-3210. Fax number. Enter the fax number. Details. Srinivas @gmail.com. Website www.Srinivas Private Limited. No space required in website. Srinivas Private Limited.com. Press down arrow. Financial year for 2021, financial year starts from 1st April 2021. For example, I am starting on the same day. I'm beginning the books on the same day. So leave it 1/4/2021. Password. If you want to give any password, you can give the password, or else simply leave it. Base currency symbol Indian national rupee. Suffix no required. Add space if you require. Space presses. Decimal places to need. That is enough. I accept. So here I am created two companies, Srinivasa Private Limited Company and Adicharla Private Limited Company. Two companies are there. Next step, for example, if you want alter any company information, alter used to modify, edit the company details, and alter is also delete the company from the list of selected companies. So alter, select company, which company you want to edit. For example, Adicharla Private Limited Company I want to edit. Just press enter. The company will able to in edit mode. So here I want to edit. Instead of private, just I am entering PVT Limited. PVT Ltd. So, and also press down arrow. Here I am deleting the pin code number. Why? Because it is double entry. So I am completed the edit mode. Press enter, 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 enter. I accept. Yes. So the company is modified. This is the benefit of alter. For example, if you want delete any company, then also alter will use alter. For example, here Srinivasa Private Limited Company is there. Select the company, which company you want to delete. By pressing Alt D, by pressing Alt D command, it will ask for confirmation. Delete, yes or no. If you click on yes, are you sure? Yes. The company is disappeared from list of company. So this is the use of alter. And next one, shut the company. Shut the company means closing of a company. Shut the company means closing of a company. By using this option, we can close present using company. Again, we can open by using select company options. For example, here I want to close, shut. I want to shut a company. Here, which company I want to shut? Adicharla Private Limited company. I would like to shut. So here there is no more company. For example, if you want select the company by selecting by pressing S, capital S by keyboard. Here we have different companies names are there. Adicharla Private Limited company is there. So this is the use of creation of company info in Gateway of Tally GOT. Today we are able to learn about the create company, alter company, shed company, and select company. Thank you.